Check out these construction vehicles. Hitachi brand, just like the TV. I wonder what's this area gonna be. This looks like an awesome transformer right here. What is this? Looks like two sharp claws. Must be some type of knockdown device. Look at these huge chains on this. Look how huge this tire is. It's taller than me, and I'm like 5'7". Let's see what else is going on down here. Got all these trees knocked down, probably for a construction building project. Yeah, this looks like gonna be a nice area for a building. Let's check out these other construction vehicles. This is called like a plow, crane, two of the same machines. No, it's all Hitachi brand. So it's like a tank. See what's going on down here. Got ways to go. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video.